usability test I ran was on the alphabetization of lists and paragraphs. In Microsoft Word, alphabetization is on the Home tab, and it is very easy to use. I found that if someone is using Google Documents, they must take several extra steps to alphabetize a list. I want to demonstrate the usability of the alphabetization feature in Google Documents. I have a recommendation for improvement, which I think is the most important improvement I have seen throughout my usability testing. First, just to show you a basis for comparison, Microsoft Word has an alphabetization option on the Home tab. This is beneficial for anyone who needs to create lists. And I believe this is especially important because when making a works cited or a references page, the citation must be alphabetized, and I usually add the references as I use them. And then I alphabetize later. In Google Documents, it is not so simple. The alphabetization is an add on the program. I only figured this out after searching online for the alphabetization feature. To alphabetize in Google Documents, I had to go here to Adds On. Next, I had to choose Get Adds On. And then I had to search for the add one called Sorted Paragraphs. After I found it and learned it was a free add-on. I had to install it by clicking on its free option. Next, I had to go back to my list I wanted alphabetized. And then select Adds On. I then clicked on Sorted Paragraphs and could choose the option to alphabetize from A to Z or from Z to A. As far as usability, I think this option is not as easy as it should be. There are many uses for alphabetizing things, and I think this option should be a lot easier and available for users automatically if they are using the program. The option in Microsoft Word is available for users because it is a priority issue. And in my opinion, Google Documents should make the improvement to add it as a feature that is already included in word processing program. I always have to use this feature. So I assume other university students have the same uses for it. And I think this is the biggest usability issue I found in the usability testing. Thank you.